Hello and welcome to another unboxing, and today I'll be having a look what's in this Harry Potter Funko train box. Yeah, I got this about a year ago. I think it was like Black Friday last year, or maybe some sort of sale they had in Pop in the Box. It could have been the anniversary sale, to be honest. And yeah, I've recently moved, and I found this box like in a cupboard somewhere, so I've not opened it or anything. Don't know what's inside these. I've completely forgot we're inside these now, but one of them things you buy something and you put it to one side and just forget about it. But let's have a look at this, and the box is really cool actually. Probably definitely keeping this box. It's with the Hogwarts Express, one of the carriages. I've got the Hogwarts train Funko Pop. Not got any of the carriages though, but yeah, really awesome box. And side underneath, yeah, this is made by Funko, and I think these retail for around £30, 25, £30 maybe. And I'm pretty sure I paid 15 for this in the sale, so that's pretty good. I believe there's a chance of chasing this, so I've heard, but I'm not too sure. Probably not getting chased, but yeah, really awesome box. So let's see what goodies you get in this box. Really sturdy. That's good for you. And it's packed. You get a pop and two little figure things. So start with the first item. Is a Funko pen. The little Funko heads. And I believe that's the on the. Is it the night? I haven't watched Harry Potter in a while. Actually, the night bus is that little, like, where there's usually a hair, like on the mirror. Do you know where you put an air freshener? There's that little head, like little shrunken head thing. But yeah, it's really cool. Try and put a value on these as we're going along. I reckon this could be about £2, something like that. Could £2 to £3 maybe. Let's see what else to get. I get one of these, the 5-star little figures. I think I've already got one of these. I'm sure it's the Harry Potter or Ron in the Biology lab. But yeah, I really like these. There's a little window on it and they open up. That's really cool. I think these retail for around, I don't know, between 7 and 12 maybe. Could be a bit more, could be a bit less, but it's just a guess. Yeah, made by Funko as well. These are all the little ones you get on the back. I think there's different series on these. So let's open the door. I always like these because they look nice even if you display them like that. Take them out of the box. A little bit of Velcro on there, the window. It's really cool. Really nice as well. I do like these little pop things. So next, got a little mystery mini. Do you know what? I think I might have opened this one before, so I'm not going to unbox it. I think I've got one of these because I opened a few of these boxes up a while ago, but I'm not too sure, so I'm not going to open it just in case I actually got it. But yeah, this is a GameStop exclusive, so it's pretty nice. Again, little Funko mini. I think these go for about £9.99, something like that. So it's really got your money. It's worth there pretty much before you get to the actual pop. But yeah, I believe this has got, the pop has got like a chase variant, I think. Box empty. I think you get everything same in each of the boxes. I think the only thing you don't get, only difference is probably the pop, if it's chase or not. So let's see if this is I've not looked at any sticker yet. So it's not. But it still looks really cool. Sirius Black. This will go to my little Harry Potter collection. I'm going to try and put a display out at some point, so I'll definitely film that when I put that out eventually. But I wonder how much this pop is. I'll find out, and I'll probably put in this description below or something. But yeah, it's a really awesome pop. I'm not sure what the chase variant is. It's usually a different colour, so that's really cool. Yeah, that's all you get in the box. Yeah, this pot's probably worth 10, so you definitely get your money for your value for money even. So I'd definitely look out for one of these on Black Friday or whatever sale they have next on Pop in the Box, and yeah, I'll pick one of these up. So big thank you for watching. Got some more Funko related stuff coming out pretty soon. That's why I'm probably wearing the same hoodie sure. But yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've opened one of these boxes or something very similar. And I'll see you all in the next video.